Yes, hello student. Today we are going to start with forensics auditing. The main question is that auditing or accounting of a digital forensics or computer forensics, whether it is required, whether it is essential for the organization who are going to perform the digital forensics. Yes, the answer is yes, exactly. We require forensic auditing or forensics accounting of an organization who are uh, performing the digital forensics. Now, uh, it is also called as a forensics accounting. A forensics audit. It is an analysis and review of the financial records of a company or a person to extract fact which can be used in a court of a law. The forensic auditing, it is a specialty in the accounting industry, and most major accounting organization or firms have a department forensic auditing. Forensics audit includes the experience in accounting and auditing practices as well as expert knowledge of forensics audit legal framework. A forensic audit comprises the following steps, that are planning the investigation, collecting evidences, reporting, what we can say that reporting or presenting, and court proceeding. So these are the steps which are available for the auditing or accounting of a forensics. Now, anti-forensics. So essentially, anti-forensics refer to any technique or gadget or software which are designed to hamper a computer investigation. It achieves a security using anti-forensics. Anti-forensic include encryption, steganography, disk cleaning, file wiping. It is mainly for security purpose, that are for confidentiality of information or securing the web transaction. Smart criminals are using it to harden the forensic investigation. So these are the things which are related to the anti-forensics. Okay, so what we have discussed in this, we discussed forensics auditing and anti-forensics. So forensic auditing, it is the accounting or accounting of a forensic, in that there are four steps which are available, that are planning the investigation, collecting evidences, reporting, and court proceedings. Next one is anti-forensics. The main goal of anti-forensic is that for confidentiality of information or database or securing the web transactions, the smart criminals are using it to harden the forensic investigation. So these are the things which are related to the digital forensics or computer forensics. Okay, thank you.